Forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
Well, it's an absolutely beautiful day out on El Paseo. You're looking at blue skies, clear conditions, a light breeze, and fairly comfortable temperatures. We do see a little bit of cloud cover moving into the LA area. This is out of that system up to our north. It'll stay pretty far to the north. We're in that transition period. In the spring, the jet stream starts to march kind of farther to the north, and it pulls these storm systems farther to the north as well. So instead of these storms tracking in through the central part of California, which gives us our rainy season, these storms now stay a little farther to the north. But they do produce a little bit of wind, and that's likely to be the case, I think, particularly tomorrow afternoon and evening, in the evening hours and overnight. So we're going to keep an eye on that because it's not just one area of low pressure, but there are a couple of them that will slide through pretty quickly. None of them real giant rainmakers even up north, but some precipitation there. You can see here's the closer view of the cloud cover and just some wispy stuff flying by. It really is quite pleasant. And most of that came through earlier in the day. We're at 74 in Palm Springs. 73 Cathedral City, 75 right now in La Quinta and Indio, and also in Mecca. So the numbers very comfortable and a bit warmer than they were yesterday. If you gauge the 24-hour difference, we're 8 to 10 degrees warmer, which is exactly what we expected. We figured about 70 yesterday and likely to be closer to 80 today, and we're on track for that, or close to it. And the wind speeds, marginal at best. We're looking at winds below the 10-mile-per-hour mark. In fact, everybody seems to be checking in at 5 to 7 miles per hour around the Palm Springs area. And when I put these winds in motion for you, what we're watching, it's a little bit of gustiness starting to push its way in through tomorrow. Now, not so much during the day, but in the afternoon and evening, we're going to see those winds kick in. See how that the coloration there indicates stronger winds, and you get them up around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now, that's north of the freeway, Thousand Palms, Desert Hot Springs, Yucca Valley, but we'll still start to feel some of those winds even down in La Quinta. So bear that in mind that tomorrow into Saturday is going to be a little breezy. It looks like the worst of the winds will be Friday overnight into early Saturday, and then they'll calm down a little bit. Highs today, like I said, up around 80, 79 degrees, quite pleasant. Then we'll drop off tonight. We should be in the lower 50s. There might be a couple of upper 40s. East into the valley will certainly be in the 40s, but most West Valley cities will be running in the lower 50s. And spring starts on Saturday. Tomorrow we're going to be quite warm, 84 degrees. But with those gusty winds coming in, we'll see a little bit of a decline in temperature. Upper 70s on Saturday, mid 70s through most of next week. So we kick off spring with very spring-like conditions. Temperatures actually just slightly below our seasonal average, and overnight lows in the lower 50s. So put a little spring in your step.
Yeah,
You
it's
know, lucky
almost here.
sevens looking